Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can plan resource management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and basically this is a topic from project management or PMP guide, project management professional guide. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. So friend, you want to plan a resource management, that how you can plan a resource management as a project manager. So how you will do it? First of all, friend, you have to determine the resources needed for the project. That means, friend, you have to identify that how many resources you need. Resources means that in terms of human resource, in terms of hardware, software, any material. So first of all, whatever your project has, you have to clear mind, you have a clear understanding about the scope of a project, and based on the scope of the project, you have to identify the required resources for the project, either it's human resource, hardware, software, any material. Then you have to match the right resource to the right task. That means, friend, you must have the clear visibility. Once you identify the scope, and then based on the work breakdown structure, you will identify the task, and based on the task you have to assign the right task to the right resource. For example, any task which is related to software development, so you must have to assign it to the software engineer. So the software designer will not do that task. Any task which is related to database engineer, so this will be done by database engineer. Any task which is related to network engineer, so network engineer will do that particular task. So the assignment of task with respect to right resource, it is very important. It is done by project manager. Then budget the right amount of time. That means, friend, the right duration amount. You must have to know that this particular task will finish in 2 days, this ABC task will complete in 5 days, this will task incomplete within 3 days. So as a project manager, you should know, you should have to assign the right task to the right resource and the right amount of time as well. Okay, the duration of task should be decided, and you should have the clear visibility about that. Then schedule the resources. Schedule means, friend, basically you are assigning the dates, because you know that which resource will be available on which dates. So based on that, and on which dates you have to deliver which deliverable to the customer as well. So you have to make a schedule of resources as well. So you must know that in January how many resources will be available and how many deliverables we have to provide it to the customer. So you have to schedule the resources accordingly. Then keep a pulse on the project progress. That means, friend, as a project manager, you should have a close eye on the project progress. Progress means that how things are going on. Either things are going on track, either things are not going on the track, either you need some amendment or not amendment. So the project status and project progress should be on your tips as a project manager. Okay, then expect to make adjustment. That means, friend, if as a project manager you know that things will not smooth every day, it's true that sometimes things are on track, sometimes things are not on track. So you have to make you should have a clear close eye on the project progress, and if there's any amendment or adjustment needed, for example, you need to increase the resources, for example, you have to decrease the resources, for example, there are some issues, there are less issues. So you have to make the adjustment with respect to the situation as well. Then perform post project analysis. After once the project finished, you have to analyze that how your how was your resource planning, and you have to make a lesson learned accordingly, that either your planning was good, either your planning was not good. So upon completion, compare your projected resources and scheduling to the actual resources used. So this can improve your resource planning skills as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you, friends.